I've had knee problems ever since high school, and it just continued through my adult life, and it had got to a point where it was just really struggling, and so I had one knee scope back years ago, and then it came back again, and so I came into Dr. Crovetti, and I was really happy that right away he wanted to try everything before a knee replacement, to cure the pain. So I came to him. He scoped my knee. That helped for a little while, but then the pain came back. After that, we tried the gel injections and some cortisone, but then it finally got to the point where the pain was just too much, and we had to get the knee replacement. I didn't realize how much pain I was really in until after the knee replacement, when the pain was no longer in that knee joint. So man, just super excited with the whole process, from the beginning, meeting Dr. Crovetti, meeting his whole staff, going through the surgical suites here, to the rehab here, did everything right here. And man, everything was kind of spot on. Everything Dr. Crovetti told me at the 1 week mark, you're not going to be too happy with me. At the 2 week mark, maybe a little better, and everything was spot on. Then when I got to that 3 month mark, man, I was feeling really good. 6 month mark, and now I have no pain in my knee, and just so excited that I did the surgery and did it here with Dr. Crovetti and his staff.